In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off notifications on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here tap at your profile picture. Then up here tap at menu icon and then select settings. Next, tap at notifications and here, just next to pause all feature, hit at that switcher button. It shows you up that options and here you can select time period when you want to turn your notifications off. You can select it from 15 minutes up to 8 hours. So I can just select 15 minutes and all my notifications will be blocked for just 15 minutes. Also, there is another way how you can block notifications. You can hit right there at post stories and comments, and here you can set up notifications for each type of content. Like you don't want to see notifications from photos for you, so you can just set this feature off, and then let's say I don't want to get notifications about comments. I can also hit this switcher to off. But if you want to permanently toggle off notifications for the whole Instagram content, you have to do it in the iPhone settings. So I can hop out Instagram for now, then I can just open up settings, scroll down for a bit and tap on notifications, and here I can scroll down until I find Instagram, and there, in order to permanently toggle off notifications for Instagram, I can just toggle off this switcher. And in any time you can go back here and enable notifications. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.